Need a dependable laptop without breaking the bank? We have this for you. This Dell delivers speed, storage, and simplicity for work or play. This is item 8850825. This is a Dell Windows 11 laptop. It has 500 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes RAM, 14-inch LCD screen. It has the DVD CD optical drive built in. Nice trackpad. So this is preloaded with Windows 11. These are factory serviced. One thing I do want to mention, like when you get your computer and you're setting up and log in, there's always updates with things. So always make sure you're checking your updates and just click that. And on the DVD disk drive, it's on the other side. So there's 2 buttons right here. Just in case you're looking for it and have troubles finding it, you want to hit the middle button, and that will make the CD pop out. This one won't. This one will make the whole component come out. So don't think that there's an issue with that. Need and dependability for $269.99.